And as a quick reminder, people that may be coming in this week or may have been confused during last week's lecture, we just had a question come in saying, is a list like an array?
Well, yeah, a list is very similar in concept to an array, but it has the added benefit of being able to dynamically resize itself. And what I mean by that is you can have a list of 0 items, and then you can continuously add more items to it or remove items from it during your program's execution. Whereas an array, whenever you create an array, you have to specify a fixed size, and that array can never grow larger or smaller. But the reason we started out talking about arrays before we got into lists is that the concepts are the exact same. A list is just a way to store multiple of something, and that of something is defined right here by what's in these little angle brackets, in this case a string. So this variable, this single product names variable, is actually capable of storing 0 to many string variables within it. So now that we have our product names, I'm going to add in a list of decimals called product prices. And then I'm going to instantiate it. And why do we have to instantiate it? We have to instantiate it because I told you you have to instantiate it. Again, we'll talk about that stuff in week 6.